received the Adamat Motorsport adapter kit. This is to be used with the 2JZ and the GS6 BMW 335i transmission. I'm going to be recording from my home, so I'll try to get this as perfect as I can. So this kit is a 2JZ adapter kit. There's also support for the 1JZ as well as the UZ engines, so from 1, 2, and 3 UZs, as well as Alice engines, RB engines, and additional BMW engines where you could swap a BMW V12 or a V8 engine into whichever vehicle you want using a Adamat Motorsport adapter kit. So we're gonna go through the motions and showing you what's in the box. So when you order your kit, you'll know what to expect depending if you go with a stage 1, like this kit is, or stage 2, 3, or 4. All right, so after cleaning up a little bit and trying to open this up a little bit so it's easier for me to open it since I'm just working with one hand. There we go. So this is all bolted up, it looks like. Yes, it is. So I know that the folks at Adamat Motorsport have to balance this entire flywheel along with the clutch. So that's why this is still attached. It's probably easier to send it this way. So this kit comes with a one-piece flywheel, and it comes with the teeth on it already. There are other ones out there that you have to use the Aristo flex plate. That way you kind of have the teeth in there so you can use your starter. But this one is just one piece all together. So it's just one piece incorporated into the kit. And then it comes with the alignment tool as well. So then you can kind of set that in place for when you're doing your installation. So fits in there pretty well. So what does it come with? It comes with the release bearing. So that's included in the kit, as well as this, I forget the name of it now, but part number is in there. It tells you pretty much all the parts are pretty much close to OEM parts for BMW from Satch and Luke. And then this is just the additional hardware that comes with it. But yeah, I would have to take this off for you to be able to see everything in regards of the clutch and the discs that are in there. But that's pretty much it for the clutch and flywheel since they're attached right now. And then this is the adapter here. Let's see if I can take it off with one hand. Okay, move this to the side and inspect the adapter a little bit more. So here are the dowel pins for it. Here's the other side. Pretty simple there. So yeah, so we'll have to work on putting these items together with the transmission, attaching it to the back of the engine, and then dropping it in the car so we can finally at least get the measurements for the drive shaft. Once we get the measurements for the drive shaft, we're also then we'll be getting the measurement for the transmission mount. That way we will have pretty much a complete kit, if you call it that, for anyone who wants to upgrade or manual swap their second gen Lexus GS300. And right after we make those two parts, the drive shaft and the transmission mount, we'll test it on the first gen Lexus GS300. We have a pickup as well that is running the UZ engine, so we'll work on getting that one done as well for that vehicle. So hopefully within the next couple months we'll have a transmission mount for the second gen Lexus GS300, first gen Lexus GS300, and the pickup. I can't remember what pickup model, but I'll add it in here somewhere. And then we have hopefully some interested individuals local to us with LS400s that they may want to get this swap done, or at least if we can complete one, we will be able to then build a transmission mount that fits that car. Now, most of these should fit, as the ones for Toyota, they kind of share the same subframe bolt area or pattern. So we will continue to work on that as well to try to get those to fit properly. So, but for the most part, this kit will be going in the Time Attack car, and soon we should be getting the garagistic shifter, the chassis mounted shifter. So once we get that one, we're most likely gonna send it to Ion Coating first out in Canada for him to do his magic, and then we'll get it back and put it on. But to get that one installed is pretty easy too, because of the DSSR, which is kind of like a linkage from the transmission to the shifter. Now that one is pretty easy to get set up. Either you can buy one of the kits that exists out there from CAE that you either extend, has kind of like a distance that you can extend things to, or you can just make a solid DSSR connection from your shifter to your transmission, so you can actually put things in gear. So my arm is getting tired, so I'll end the video here. So please like and subscribe so we can continue making content of this nature, and continue showing you what we're working on to get these cars ready. So thank you, and until the next video.